Hello, welcome to the course Database Management Systems. As part of Module 1, Lecture 1, we'll see introduction about database, then database management system, then database systems. What is a database? This is the most frequently used term in our day-to-day life, the term database. So actually, a database is a structured collection of data that is organized, stored, and managed in a way that enables efficient retrieval, manipulation, and maintenance of information. This is the standard definition of a database. Databases which are designed to handle large volumes of data and provide mechanisms for storing and retrieving data based on some specific criteria. Databases are commonly used to store various types of information. What type of information it stores? Including text information, numerical data, images data, videos data, and many other formats. That is about a database. Then, what database supports? Database supports relationships between data entities and also enforces data integrity constraints. Among the data, you can define constraints to satisfy some conditions. Also allows data to be queried and manipulated. You can do the querying of the data, you can manipulate the data. Then it also allows to store various types of data from simple text to complex multimedia data, and also use it to store data for various applications and industries. That is about a database and functionalities of a database. Then coming to database management system, which is called as DBMS. What is exactly a DBMS? Means database management system. A database management system is software that facilitates the creation, manipulation, and management of databases. It also acts as an intermediary between users or applications and the physical data storage by providing an interface through which users can interact with the data. So finally, the database management system handles tasks related to data organization, retrieval, security, integrity, and many more. These are the tasks or functions of database management system. A database management system, we will call it as a software system which manages database. Also provides tools and interfaces for creating and modifying database structures, and also offers mechanisms for inserting data, updating data, and deleting data, and also enforces data integrity rules and constraints, and also handles concurrency control, which manages simultaneous data access. That is about database management system and its functionalities. And also it supports query languages like SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, for data retrieval and manipulation. Also manages data indexing and optimization for efficient queries. Also facilitates backup, recovery, and data consistency. What are the examples of various database management system products or tools or softwares, which includes MySQL, Oracle database, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, SQLite, and many more. These are all some of the examples of database management systems. In essence, a database is the repository of structured data, while a database management system is the software that allows us to manage, access, and manipulate the data in a controlled and an efficient manner. The database management system will also act as a bridge between users or applications and the underlying data storage infrastructure, making it easier to interact with and manage large volumes of data. Then coming to database systems. Here, database management system contains information about a particular enterprise. What type of data it contains? Collection of interrelated data, set of programs to access the data, then an environment that is both convenient and efficient to use the data. Database systems which are used to manage collections of data that are highly valuable, relatively large, accessed by multiple users and applications, often at the same time. These are all the database systems and their functions. Finally, a modern database system, which is a complex software system whose task is to manage a large, complex collection of data. This is the modern database system, which handles the large and complex collection of data with different formats. Finally, database touches all aspects of our lives. So that's why database is very, very important. Hope this information is useful. Next upcoming videos, we will see other topics related to database management system. Stay tuned for latest updates.